Pam Heller, AccuQuilt's cutting expert.
And I'm Erica Bottger, AccuQuilt's creativity expert.
Okay, fun fact.
Yes.
Here in Omaha, we have a world-class zoo. In fact, it has often been named the best zoo in the United States.
So it's only appropriate that we at AccuQuilt launch a fun die to go with our amazing zoo. Here is the baby zoo animal die. Now it's on a 6x12 die board, so it'll fit through all of our cutters, including that Go Me. The die is perfect for quilters and crafters alike. And like all of our applique dies, it comes with free downloadable embroidery files to finish your projects with either a satin stitch, a buttonhole stitch, or a motif stitch.
All right, so this die has 11 shapes, which makes up most of the head, shoulders, knees, and toes of a lion, a giraffe, and a monkey. Now, the bodies, this is important to know. The body is the same for all three zoo animals.
Yes.
Which I thought was super fun.
Mm-hmm.
So here's the giraffe, and here's the little nose part that goes on the giraffe.
Yes.
Here is the monkey face,
Mm-hmm.
and the monkey head, and the lion face, and the lion mane.
Yes.
And here's eyes and a mouth. And Erica, do you know what this is?
It's the spot for your giraffe.
So cute.
So you'll need more than one.
You will. Okay. So we're going to just show you how easy it is to cut, and we're going to build some animals. So what I've done is I pre-fused my cotton fabric.
Okay.
And how many layers can we use, Erica, on our Go Bolt?
So on our Go Bolt, you can do up to 4 layers, and your fusible is going to count as half a layer. So we can cut easily 2 layers with the fusible on it.
Yes. We're going to cut 2 animals. So I have to have the body and the faces. And we need 2 eyes and a mouth because they're super cute. So I'm just going to put these right over here like this. And we don't have to worry about lengthwise grain because we have pre-fused our fabric. All right, so Erica, do you want to put a mat on top?
So here's the mat.
Now, we keep all of our pre-fused fabric scraps.
Yes, we do. Now this is our Go Bolt, and we've got a die catcher on the front and the back. You know, the Go Bolt comes by itself. I really like having at least one die catcher when I use it.
Yes.
But they're super lightweight and portable and easy to take, just like the Go Bolt. So.
Or the Go Big and Go Me and all those.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and cut out.
There's static here in Omaha,
there is
Nebraska.
Some static going on. We needed to use our static spray, and I didn't get it
Oh,
out.
yes, we should have, because that's
or rather our anti-static
Yes,
spray.
we don't
Did
want
you know we have anti-static spray? We do. Throw a can in your cart when you get your die.
Okay. So here's the monkey.
Oh, so cute.
And the monkey body. And this was my favorite because does that not look like lion mane?
It does.
And then we're going to build a nose and a couple of eyeballs. Look at how cute this is. You can make a whole zoo and just nothing flat. And this is a great...
Hand me our scraps over there and the die. I'm going to cut spots.
Oh, there you go. For our giraffe. Oh, yeah, we didn't cut our giraffe. So look at how fun this is. This is just a great way to kind of use up your scraps and your stash, and a great project for kids, right? Because kids can make this.
All right, now one of the features of the Go Bolt is an automatic shut off after 60 seconds. So, okay, so here's.
Look at how fun these are.
Aren't those cute?
So, but this is a great example of how you don't have to cut all the shapes on the die board.
That's right.
Right? You could just cut giraffes or you could just cut lions. It's only going to cut where there's fabric and a mat. But keep in mind that 4-layer rule applies if you're using our Go Bolt.
That's right. Now, we've used cotton batik, but think about using other fabrics to give it some dimension, like felt or wool. You could use animal prints. You could probably find spotted fabric to cut your giraffe from.
Oh, you could.
Oh, or think about using something like cuddle fabric for the lion's mane.
Oh,
That'd
yes.
be fun.
That would be fun. All right, be sure to check out all the free patterns for this dye at AccuQuilt.com, but also think about using this dye to embellish jackets, pillows, table runners, and more.
That would be a safari jacket with the animals
Yes,
on it. That would be
super cute.
perfect. And then you could wear it to the zoo.
There you go.
Now, the Go Baby Zoo animal dye will help you monkey around with your creativity because at AccuQuilt, we'll help you cut time
So you can quilt and craft more.